Hello, welcome to another season of my channel. In this season, I'm going to show you not only recipes but also the places I visit. Health is wealth. In this episode, I'm going to show you my mother's organic garden. This is not a tutorial, just an idea. My mother does not have any educational knowledge of gardening, but she loves doing gardening and to feed and eat fresh food. Hope you will like it and subscribe my channel. So, let's go. This is my mother's kitchen garden, which is on top of her building. Anyone can have a kitchen garden, even inside the kitchen, to have fresh things. It could be smaller or bigger. My mother is using any kind of container to hold the plant. What she does is she sprinkles the seeds and sprinkle water every day. After a few days, the seeds germinate. And sometimes she plants the leftover roots of coriander or celery and place in the soil. And every day sprinkle water. After a few days, new shoots emerge. Tomatoes, asparagus, even potatoes, and these are lemon. We call it kaji nemu or nemu. It's very fragrant. She planted dragon fruits from the fruit. The weather of Assam is very similar to East Asian countries, so in Assam we can plant this kind of fruits. She had planted corn, spinach, bean, eggplants, strawberries, even seasonal flower. These are edible corn. We call it thekia. Here is sugarcane. These are guava, call it moduri, it's getting bigger. These are beans. I think she is going to keep the seeds for next time to germinate. Cholokia, chilies. We Assamese people like to eat chilies. She is growing bay leaves also. Organic food is healthy. To change your life, use organic food every day. To watch more videos, please click the link given below. This is Audrey signing off from this episode of Audrey's channel. Thank you very much.